Coastal waters from San Mateo point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywire network of radio operators. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Riverside County.
Alright, so let's see which weather radios activated for the test. Of course these two did. Those always go off for the test. This one went off. Again, I had this one disabled because low batteries. This one went off for the test. This one did not go off for the test apparently, but whatever. The WR400 and the WR120 activated for the test. The zone guards and the weather tracker activated, which is really nice. The WR300 and the Sangean didn't activate. The 991 activated, which is cool. The First Lloyd WX67 activated. The 260 activated. I'm not able to tell. I'm not too sure if this activated or not. I bet it did. Let's see if it's getting a good signal.
Lows 42 to 52.
I bet that activated for the test. I'm not too sure how to tell though. But yeah, I was actually in the living room the time the test happened, and I had this recording in the room, and I was able to hear the test from the kitchen. So yeah, it's great to see all these weather radios go off, and I cannot wait to see what happens next test. Hopefully we could get the WR300 to go off, the Sangean CL100, the AlertWorks EAR10, and the WR100 to go off. Because those have not been going off. I mean, those have not been going off in this test. And with the ESP2100, I didn't activate that for the test. I bet it would activate too, but just leaving it off until I change its batteries. But yeah, that is it. Please stay tuned for more content. That's it.